Nope, taking video. This is what it's like when it's blizzards here in Ohio. And we are actually driving to get groceries in this weather. That was his idea. I think it's crazy. I'm riding along with him because if he dies, I don't want to be alone. So, yeah, there's my excuse for being stupid. Anyway, just thought I would show you the lovely surroundings here, and well, is this a blizzard? Not a blizzard. He says it's not a blizzard. They say it's a blizzard on TV, though. Anyway, I was just showing you the weather. So, bye.